Hello everyone, I'm Nancy. I'm in our SMD workshop now. We start our business from making land-based packaging at the very beginning, so we still produce bits now. The land bits we produce are used in our own LED strip production, which can better control the quality of our products at the source and better control the CCT and the color consistency of our products. Now please follow me and I will show you how the land bits are produced. The first step of production of the land bits was die bonding. Before die bonding, there was a series of preparatory work, such as throwing the glue in advance, dehumidification of the bracket, die expansion, and so on. After preparation work was completed, the die bonding could be carried out by the automatic high-speed die bonder. In the process of die bonding, the operator should also pay attention to the glue. After that, we will carry out the first QC. After QC, we will carry out baking, then we can proceed wire bonding with 99.999% pure gold wire, and then proceed the second QC by our QE to check whether this is such as partial welding, power pressure is too large, power pressure is too small, worthwhile in subsidence tension, and other problems. After passing the quality inspection, you can carry out the dispensing process. First of all, by our experienced engineer for dispensing, mixing and deforming, testing and another process through a single integrated sphere test to verify that the requirements of the work order can be through. The automatic dispensing machine began dispensing. QC tests whether there is less glue after dispensing. The bits can be baked twice and then begin to split. After land bits is stripped from the bracket, it can begin to split the light, which is also an exquisite work. We can provide the product with SDCM less than 6, less than 5, less than 3, or even less than 2, according to the needs of customers. We also accept the requirements of customers and provide the customer with one bin product. For regular customers, in the process of reorders, we will provide products produced of same bins according to the previous product. So, as to ensure that each reorder has the same color consistency as the first one, after QC test, dehumidification is carried out again, and then tap red and vacuum packaging can be carried out. After packaging is completed, QC is carried out for the last time, and then the production will be put in storage. How is it? Isn't it interesting? Follow me next time I will show you how COB and CSP are produced.